Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable motion activated hallway lighting using Hue and Alexa. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have your Philips Hue lights installed in the hallway. Next, open the Philips Hue app on your smartphone. Create a new room if you haven't done so already. Add your hallway lights to this new room. Make sure your Philips Hue bridge is connected to your Wi-Fi network. Now, open the Amazon Alexa app. Tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner. Select Skills and Games from the menu options. Search for the Philips Hue skill and enable it. Link your Philips Hue account to your Alexa account when prompted. Return to the Alexa app and tap on Devices at the bottom. Select the plus icon to add a new device. Choose Light and then select Philips Hue from the list. Once your hallway lights are discovered, assign them to your hallway group. Now, you need to set up motion detection capability. Purchase a compatible motion sensor that works with Philips Hue. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to connect the motion sensor to your Philips Hue bridge. In the Philips Hue app, navigate to the Settings section. Select Routines and then tap on Create Routine. Set the routine to trigger when motion is detected by your sensor. Choose the action that turns on your hallway lights. You can specify a time interval for how long the lights should stay on. Once your routine is set, tap Save. Now return to the Alexa app for additional settings. You can customize voice commands if you'd like to control the lights with Alexa. Test the motion sensor by walking through the hallway. Ensure that the lights activate as programmed. Adjust any settings in the Philips Hue app for sensitivity or light duration as needed. You've now successfully enabled motion-activated hallway lighting using Hue and Alexa. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.